Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a visual story. First, click on Create a Visual Story. You will be asked to select one of these categories. Let's say I select Historical Stories. It will then present titles set in different places, times, and countries. For example, you can choose stories about England, Rome, or whatever you want for a more specific selection. I'll choose the Mayflower Voyage. Next, it will start writing. It builds character details, the storyline, and then begins drafting the chapters and the script for the images. Here I've already created 6 chapters. Each chapter has 4 images and it starts creating the images one by one. So let's take a look. This is the first image, the second image, the third image, and the ship, a small ship. Notice that it specifies the action, camera shot type, and descriptions. To create the next image, I'll select Chapter 2. I'll find Chapter 2, copy all the content, and submit it. As you can see, medium shots are displayed. Let's go and select the third image for Chapter 2. I'll copy it here and then get the fourth image. Finally, I submit it. Notice the color grading is consistent throughout. Sometimes you might encounter issues. For example, a close-up shot might be too close and I'll need to fix it by centering the image. These issues can happen occasionally, like vertical images being treated as horizontal. If it's not fixing, it's not a big deal. I'll move on. For the next shot, I might use an image with a correct view. If there are errors, you can remove elements with the tool. I won't process it now, but you can do this if needed. Let's move on to Chapter 3. You can edit all the images. You don't have to copy and paste without editing. I'm just showing you the process. You can add your own elements, even if it's not what ChatGPT provides. You can use your own prompts or work in a different chat. This is the last one I'm doing. Let's fix this image by setting it to a center front view. If there's an issue in the prompt, making it horizontal, fixing it might involve changing it to a close-up shot. If the problem persists, you might need to try a different prompt. I'll stop here, but you get the idea of how to create a visual story with this comic book creator. Besides creating visual stories, you can create comics with panels, random characters, or even stories with only animals. You can also upload your own story and characters. This tool is designed to save you time, but you can use it for more detailed work if needed. That's it for today. Bye-bye.